Hello guys, this is how you can simply send and receive tokens in Solana wallet. This is Solfare wallet. So how do you receive tokens? You just go to this receive and then copy your link. As you can see, we have copy and share. You can share to your friends, to the person who wants to send you the token via WhatsApp or Facebook, and you can simply copy the address here or share it, or you can easily screenshot this and send to the person. So whichever way you are doing it, you are receiving the token in your wallet. And then let's say you want to send to somebody. As you can see, you just touch on send and then paste the person's address here, or you scan the QR code. You scan the person's QR code. As you can see, touch on enable camera access. So once you are done, the person, then you put the amount you want to send to the person, and then you can also buy Solana from here, or you buy any other things from here. When you just want to buy, you will buy. So guys, that's it. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more.